Ever wondered what the thyroid gland is and why it's so important? This small but mighty organ is an endocrine gland nestled comfortably in your neck. It's the star player when it comes to iodine metabolism and the secretion of thyroid hormones. And its size? Don't let it fool you. Despite being small, it's highly vascular, meaning it's packed with blood vessels. In fact, it holds the title as the largest pure endocrine gland in the body. That's quite a feat. It's situated between the 5th, 6th, and 7th cervical vertebrae, right in the hub of your neck. Its high vascularity and size make thyroid surgeries a tricky business, requiring a surgeon's deft touch. So this little powerhouse isn't just important, it's essential. Understanding the thyroid gland, its structure and location, is the first step in unraveling its crucial functions in the body. Did you know that the thyroid gland starts developing in the early stages of pregnancy? Yes, it's true. This butterfly-shaped gland, crucial for our body's metabolism and growth, begins its journey in the embryonic stage. From the get-go, it's a marvel of biological engineering. During the 3rd or 4th week of pregnancy, the thyroid gland starts to form in the pharynx, which is part of the throat. From there, it embarks on a slow but steady migration downwards. It's like the gland is taking its first steps, heading towards its permanent home at the base of the neck. This migration is not a random jaunt. It's a carefully orchestrated process, guided by a host of biological signals. It might seem like a long journey for such a small gland, but it's a crucial one. This early development and migration is a testament to the thyroid gland's essential role in the body. The thyroid gland is a powerhouse, secreting vital hormones. Two of these hormones, triiodothyronine and thyroxine, are unique in that they are composed of iodine atoms. These hormones play a crucial role in our bodies, regulating fat metabolism and influencing growth and development in children. Triiodothyronine, often referred to as T3, and thyroxine, known as T4, work hand in hand. They regulate our body's energy use, maintain body temperature, and assist other organs in their functions. They are the conductors of our body's orchestra, ensuring every part plays in harmony. In children, these hormones take on the additional role of overseeing growth and development. They are the unseen guardians, ensuring each child grows and develops at a healthy pace. Without these hormones, growth could be stunted and developmental milestones may not be reached. But the thyroid gland doesn't stop there. It also secretes a peptide hormone known as calcitonin. This hormone plays a pivotal role in calcium metabolism and homeostasis. It helps regulate the amount of calcium in our bodies, maintaining the delicate balance needed for our bodies to function optimally. When calcium levels rise in our blood, calcitonin springs into action, reducing the calcium levels and restoring balance. These hormones are key players in maintaining our body's normal functioning. They work tirelessly, day in and day out, to ensure we remain healthy and active. The thyroid gland may be small, but its impact on our health is immense. But what does the thyroid gland look like, you may ask? Well, let's dive in. The thyroid gland, despite its vital role in the body, is relatively small. It's nestled comfortably in the neck region, precisely between the 5th, 6th, and 7th cervical vertebrae. This butterfly-shaped gland is formed of 2 lobes. These lobes, not unlike the wings of a butterfly, sit on either side of your windpipe, also known as the trachea. The lobes are not separate entities, though. They are connected by a narrow piece of tissue, a kind of bridge, if you will, called the isthmus. The thyroid gland is quite unique because it's the largest pure endocrine gland in the body. Endocrine glands, if you recall, are those that secrete hormones directly into the bloodstream. And the thyroid, true to its endocrine nature, is highly vascular. It's rich in blood vessels, which makes any surgical procedure involving it a tad more challenging. But why does it need such a rich blood supply? Well, the answer lies in the gland's function, the production and secretion of vital hormones. The blood supply helps to transport these hormones to the various parts of the body where they are needed. Now that we've covered the structure, location, and function of the thyroid gland, you might appreciate its importance a little more. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned about the thyroid gland. This small but mighty endocrine gland is located in the neck, specifically between the 5th, 6th, and 7th cervical vertebrae. It's the largest pure endocrine gland in the body, and it's highly vascular, which can make thyroid surgeries quite complex. The thyroid gland begins to develop by the pharynx during the 3rd or 4th week of pregnancy, gradually migrating to its final position at the base of the neck. Now let's not forget about the hormones this gland secretes. Triiodothyronine and thyroxine, both composed of iodine atoms, play critical roles in regulating fat metabolism and promoting growth and development in children. Additionally, the thyroid gland produces calcitonin, a peptide hormone crucial for maintaining calcium homeostasis. The thyroid gland, though small, plays a huge role in our body's functioning. So next time you hear about it, you'll know exactly what it means.